Welcome, my name is Tanner and you're watching How To Life Guide. Today I'll be answering the lifelong question of will isopropyl alcohol remove sticker residue on a plastic object. And to back up this theory and test another product, I do have white distilled vinegar right here, and let's jump right into it. As you can see, I have a new Arctic cooler and I've already tried peeling the sticker off, and with that being said, I've had no success doing it. It is stuck on there very well. And so I was like, hey, I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some isopropyl alcohol. I only have 70%, and I have a rag. And I'm gonna pour it onto the rag and hopefully try to soak it on here and see if it will come off. So as you see, I'm rubbing it on currently. Hopefully to loosen it up. And it does not seem to want to help any, to be honest. And the parts of the sticker that I have already peeled off, it's still a sticky, coarse undercoating that it's left on, which is considered the residue. So does the rubbing alcohol work? Well, it's kind of complicated. With less adhesive stickers, yes, it works. I've used it plenty of times to remove them, the sticker itself, and the residue underneath. However, on more high quality products, more high quality stickers, it might not remove that residue. Now I have the distilled white vinegar, as you can see right there, and I'm gonna pour some on the cloth. And then I'm gonna try to rub it on. That being said, unless you want to scratch the actual thing you want the sticker off of, I highly suggest you find another alternative. So I hope that answers your question. It's kind of complicated in the sense of stronger, more high quality stickers it won't do anything with, and you're probably gonna make more of a mess and probably scratch up the object you're trying to remove the sticker from. However, if it's a cheaper sticker and it pulled off easy and it had a little bit left on, in many cases I have removed it with isopropyl alcohol. So it's not a complete fail, however, for the cooler I have, it is. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Tune in next time.